Outside, the sun is just starting to peek through the clouds with slightly cool temperatures at the 6 o'clock hour. Come on, you cowboys and girls. It's time to get going.
And nothing can get you going like Chevy trucks. The most dependable, longest-lasting trucks on the road. This year, Chevy truck features the most powerful line of Vortech engines in our history, producing as much as 60 more horsepower than last year's CK models. But dramatic power increases are only part of the Vortech story. Vortech gasoline engines are designed to take you 100,000 miles before requiring their first scheduled tune-up. Plus, they deliver exceptionally smooth and steady performance, all while getting the most out of every drop of fuel. And when it comes to sheer strength, Vortech delivers. Every new Vortech engine provides more power to pass, haul, and tow.
Bobby, roll back a little.
Forget it. Watch your fingers. Let her go.
Ease up a little bit. Ease on
With up to 8.5% more torque than previous year models.
And load them. Come on, where you been?
If you're on the Santa Monica, you're not going anywhere. Traffic is reduced to a
Backup near Crenshaw Boulevard is causing major problems. There are stop-and-go delays all the way back to the Harbor Freeway.
The world out there looks more friendly when there's a Chevy CK pickup between you and the road. That's because CK Silverado has the most comfortable and friendly interior we've ever put in a full-size pickup. High-quality touches like available leather seats and power lumbar supports help make Chevy CK a truck that's not only designed for long-lasting use, it's designed for long-lasting enjoyment.
Hello.
Plus, there's a center console that holds maps, coins, and music, as well as your thoughts. In fact, CK Pickup offers so many comforts and amenities. You might say, it's better than a corner office with a window.
It's 3:30 on one of the prettiest days Denver has seen in a long time. What a perfect day to head for the mountains and play in the snow.
Leave it to a long-lasting Chevy CK pickup to take care of itself, as well as it takes care of you. Every CK pickup features a total safety system designed to add peace of mind to every mile you travel. Standard safety features include a driver airbag and new automatic daytime running lamps. There are many things that will make Chevy CK a welcome part of your family. Chevrolet was the first truck maker to offer a revolutionary third door, making it easier to load and unload passengers or cargo. Scotchgard fabric protector helps make cleanups quick and easy. A large fuel tank lets you put in plenty of miles between stops. And CK's independent front suspension helps provide a stable ride and enhanced control.
say that work goes a lot easier with a good partner, especially when that partner is Chevy trucks. The most dependable, longest-lasting trucks on the road. In fact, Chevy trucks are so dependable, they have the highest resale value of any full-size pickup. While other truck companies try to claim that they have high resale value, the data is undisputable. Over the last 7 years, Chevy's had the highest cumulative average resale value of any full-size pickup. You can depend on CK's long list of rock-solid features to work overtime to take whatever you dish out. Plus, Chevy's safety cage construction surrounds you and your passengers with a rigid cage of steel. You can demand a lot from your CK pickup. As you increase your load, specially designed second-stage springs provide additional support, while features like double-wall construction and two-tier loading help turn CK's cargo bed into a real workhorse.
There's no doubt that your Chevy CK pickup is built to stand by you through thick and through thin. And while you may never need it, you are also protected with the Chevrolet Genuine Customer Care Package, which includes a no-deductible bumper-to-bumper limited warranty. Courtesy transportation at no additional charge if your CK pickup requires warranty work, and 24-hour roadside assistance. Just one toll-free call can provide you with directions, towing, a locksmith, fuel delivery, and other helpful services. Since we sold our first pickup in 1918, millions of people have relied on Chevy trucks to be an uncomplaining partner when the work gets tough, and a friend to lean on when the job is done. So if you're looking for a rugged, reliable truck that has the proven technology you can rely on, time and time again, then look no further than Chevrolet, the most dependable, longest-lasting trucks on the road.